Now that you have learned why blogging is important to us, let's move further and understand the major part of our blogs, that is, product descriptions. I, Deepika Dhaka, will guide you on how to write perfect product descriptions for the blogs. Product descriptions, which we also call PDs, are typically written after the introduction. In it, we describe the features, purpose, and values our products can provide to the users. We have to write it in a way that entices the reader to click the product and explore the offerings it presents. And when it comes to writing a product description, our goal is to create reader-friendly content that considers the needs and preferences of the target audience and define how using our templates can help them save time, money, and effort. Now, I'll walk you through the essential steps to consider before creating a description that relates to the readers and boosts our traffic and subscriptions. Let's commence with the process. When you receive the docket from us, it will include a list of product links and allied keywords along with the blog topic and interlinking blogs. You have to open the product links one by one, explore the template each link contains, and examine it carefully to extract the worthy keywords that will help you create a reader-oriented product description. You can also use the keywords provided in the docket itself. By adding keywords, you can establish trust with your readers and convey that our products are the ultimate solution to their specific concerns and challenges. For better understanding, let's look at the sample of a good PD with keywords. Suppose your product is an executive summary template. You can explain it in this way in PD. Presenting a content-ready PPT template covering the executive summary of an e-commerce startup. It shows the company brand statement, company background, its mission, key objectives, target audience, and other essential information that attracts clients and sponsors. This executive summary template acts as a gateway to the full business plan, allowing readers to quickly grasp the viability and potential of your e-commerce startup, making it a crucial component for securing funding, partnerships, or further discussions with interested parties. Download it today. Now, in this PD, we have added keywords already mentioned in the template, such as e-commerce startup, brand statement, company background, target audience, mission, and objectives. These are the applied terms, practices, and concepts that every company uses. But for us, as writers, these terms are the keywords that helps us create useful and practical content for the product description. In this sample, we have also described how this product can add value to startup business plans and help secure funding or build partnerships. This description will definitely make a startup business owner to resonate for different reasons and use our template. It is therefore important for writers to explore the products for a solid understanding of the topic and describe the product in a way that addresses the pain points of the readers and make them think that yes, this is what we are looking for. Moving further, let's talk about the structure of writing a PD. So every product has a title. Firstly, you need to give your description a title in AP style, which basically means writing the initials of the words in uppercase. For example, the title is Marketing Plan Template for New Product. Here, it's written in lowercase, but you have to transform it into AP style as Marketing Plan Template for New Product, where all initials other than coordinating conjunctions are in uppercase. Let's say you are working on template number 1. You can convert the title into AP style yourself if you know how to do it, or you can also take help from www.titlecase.com. And remember, if the title is too lengthy, you are supposed to trim it down. For example, Instead of writing the long title given on slide, such as project manager, resume, statement, presentation, report, infographic, PPT, PDF document, you can simplify it to template 1, project manager, resume, PPT, template. Next, below the title, you'll craft a brief paragraph that serves as the product description or PD. Before we delve into that, let me share some important do's. First and foremost, keep your product description concise, ranging between 50 to 80 words. And I repeat, remember to include allied keywords, which you'll find either in the docket or directly on the template itself. We focus on including the relevant keywords as it will add value to your blog and increase its chance of ranking on Google while enabling you to connect with the reader. So, number 1, crisp and concise. 2, include keywords. What comes next is that it's crucial to clearly define the purpose of the product and how it can make the job of the user comparatively easier. Highlight how it streamlines communication and enhances business operations. You can follow the simple format for all your PDs. Mention what's inside the template slides. Explain what the template can be used for, and mention who can benefit from using the template. For example, here's a PD that follows the same structure. Let's read it. Use this PPT template to launch your new PR campaign. This infographic outlines your objectives and marketing strategies for a PR communication plan. It is a crucial instrument for improving or updating your media relations or marketing communications to increase visibility. With its great assistance, you can develop a strong PR strategy, define the target audience, specify tools for reaching it, and create a plan for handling the issues. Download now. Now, in this PD, you can find some relevant keywords that are picked from the template, such as PR campaign, PR communication, media, marketing communications, PR strategy, target audience. It also describes how it can help PR or marketing professionals and make their job easier. These lines can actually generate the need in a marketer's mind to use this template because of its usefulness. Following this framework will not only help you include the necessary keywords, but also make your PD more relevant and clickable for readers. These are the important tips to remember. Now, let's discuss some common mistakes to avoid when writing product descriptions. Firstly, refrain from repeating the entire product title throughout the description. It only makes the sentences unnecessarily bulky without making any sense. And please avoid using the words customizable, editable repeatedly in the blog. You can use these words only once, and that too at the end of the introduction part. Secondly, avoid keyword stuffing. Ensure that your sentences flow naturally and the keywords don't look like they are deliberately added just for the sake of ranking. The third and the most important thing to remember is never to use the term free templates in your blog anywhere. Our products require a subscription plan for download, and using the word free just misleads our readers. And finally, use more professional adjectives like comprehensive, feature-packed, or pre-designed when you describe the template. Avoid using beauty adjectives like beautiful, attractive, mesmerizing, etc. And there you have it. By following these guidelines, you'll be well equipped to write relatable and readable product descriptions that effectively promote our awesome templates and provide valuable information to our audience. Writing PDs will be a breeze now. Thank you so much for tuning in.